To give locals in Pakistan stable TV, this Peshawar workshop handcrafts affordable and effective satellite dishes. We used to use these for TV here too. But with today's fast fiber optic networks, most homes have smart TVs, so satellite signal receivers are now obsolete. In Pakistan, you still mostly need this type of satellite dish to watch TV. Today, let's visit this small workshop and see just how they're made. First, the craftsman uses a compass to draw lines on the iron sheet, then cuts along them with large shears, creating neatly shaped pieces. Next, the materials are stacked neatly. Then, large shears trim off the excess, forming round iron plates. The craftsman secures the cut plate on the rolling machine. The machine's pressure and motion continuously bend the metal, transforming the flat sheet of iron into an oval shape. To prevent rust and prolong its life, the craftsman moves the satellite dish into a spray booth to apply various coats of paint. After spraying, these oval-shaped dishes are sent to a baking room to be baked dry, ensuring the paint adheres firmly. Next, the craftsman uses a ruler to precisely mark locations inside the dish. He then drills mounting holes for the feed horn arms and support bracket. Next, install two adjustable steel tubes into the support frame. Connect the frame to the satellite dish and tighten. Once secured upright, he adds two small connecting rods. These link to telescopic rods to flexibly adjust the dish's tilt angle. After adjusting it to the right position, tighten it securely. Next, the technician installs the three feed horn support arms on the dish's edge. After securing it, he installs a ring at the center of the support frame to hold the L&B. Now, fit the L&B into place and tighten the screws, making sure it is firmly secure. With that done, the basic assembly for the satellite dish is now complete. So, what do you all think of this satellite dish?